it's Amber and I'm going to do a vlog today because it's been like 2 months since I posted, and today is March 1, 6:11 a.m. Today is our return demo about hand washing and gloving because I'm a nursing student. So I'll be right back and I'll just get ready and everything, and I'll get back to you guys. Bye! Hey guys! So I'm back and I'm done. And as you can see, I have a sneak bun. Anong mas gusto mo? Dota o aso? Just kidding. So now I'm going to eat my breakfast and then I'll go na sa school. So I'll see you guys again later. Okay. Before I leave, I'm just gonna show my bag, what's inside my bag. So this is my iPad, and then here's my small envelope where the important files are stored. Then here's my checklist for the health assessment return demo. But our return demo for today is gloving and hand washing. So like, yeah. Next is my Cattleya notebook for the skills, health assessment skills. Then my towel for the hand washing, and then my gloves. I also have like a perfume right here, my power bank, and then my makeup. So like, yeah. I'm on my way to school now. Bye.
Okay. Woodsy, YZY. May freebie. Wala. Oo, YZY. And then, Wono Atinista. Nakumpleto ko na Wono Atinista ko. My Wono Atinista is complete na po siya, guys. Complete na po. Ay, char.
Anong reaction mo after gloving? Uy, di pag-capture nila. Hindi picture. Video niya. Ano to? OA OA.
Tubo ng lahat. Salamat, Jezreel.
Thailand.
Basta dami awards. Shit.
Ga-vlog ko daan. Hoy, vlog! Good morning, guys! Wow! Good morning, guys! Vlog!
Morning person.
Sila naligo, ako lang naligo.
Wow!
Dapat gigali.
I-balandra ka dapat.
Public announcement.
Public announcement.
Tapos si Kathy Hart ang yun ang bago ako.
I-mute ko. Ano na oras man?
Pakita ko ang time. Pakita ang time.
Malaki tadakan mo wallpaper.
Wow! Ano na oras? It's 5:12 in the morning, guys. And we're going to Barangay Kanaynay in Santa Barbara. Okay, I'll be right back later. Bye! Let's go! So we're going to Kanaynay, Santa Barbara because we have our outreach program. And currently we're on our way to school because we're going to meet there at 6:30, and it's currently what? 6:20? 6:20. We only have 10 minutes left. Okay, so bye for now, guys. I hope there's a tricycle.
Sanina.
Dugay pa ba? Wala pa? Ay, amo lang
to? Oo.
Ngayon, Mayo na, kinakapaligo ako, kinamdamo, bigyan sa ligo sa ako nilawas. Pagkatapos na maligo.
Kami nag-inform kami madala kami. Malagaw kami, guys. Yeah. We're going to... Oh my God! Nakita ko. We're going to the Festive Mall. Tapos Taya. We're going to go to McDonald's. We're going to eat. Wow.